A teenage girl was killed after her car stalled on a level crossing while she was taking a driving test and it was hit by a train. Police named the girl as Angelika, 18, and confirmed she had died after the red Suzuki Baleno she was driving was struck in Zaskale, Poland. Her 62-year-old examiner managed to escape before the collision. The tragedy unfolded in CCTV footage that showed her stalling on the track between the towns of Nowy Targ and Zakopane. Eyewitness Rafal Kwak, 40, said, "When we ran to the wreck, the girl was strapped in and the instructor stood nearby and did nothing. I wanted him to give me a first aid kit, but he couldn't find it." She was still breathing, but she was very wheezy, she was getting weaker. She was disappearing before our eyes.Another onlooker, who wanted to remain anonymous, said the train had sounded its horn, but it was too late. They also claimed the unnamed examiner had left after the teenager failed to start the car when it stopped at the crossing. They added, the examiner escaped at the last minute, the girl, unfortunately, didn't. She tried to move, but was half a meter away from surviving. She was already starting to move the car. A shocked witness said Angelika had a big head wound and blood was everywhere. The teenager suffered multiple injuries and died later at a hospital in Nowy Targ.